Hi guys, our home chef delivery has arrived. We're gonna take it inside and unbox it and get started right now. Hey guys, Cindy with Supposedly Chic, and today we are going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Home Chef food delivery system. We have pre-ordered 3 meals which are delivered to us today. The 3 meals we have 2 chicken meals and 1 turkey meal. When you open the box, the first thing you see are the 3 recipe cards. Okay, and what the front shows you is what the meal is, what the prep time is, when you need to eat it by, and sort of the level of difficulty. Okay, the back side is a color how-to, and it takes you through every step of what you need to do to make the meal. It has on there what you'll need, and so just some pointers before you cook. Okay, so this week we're going to be doing the Mediterranean turkey skillet, the chicken Milanese, and the chicken with mushroom gravy. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and get into the box. So once you get rid of the recipe cards, you open up the flap, and the cool thing about Home Chef is they ship everything in this insulated box so that everything stays cold and fresh for you. The other great thing about Home Chef is each one of the meals is housed within 1 bag. Okay, so you get 3 bags for 3 meals. And for instance, this is the bag for the Mediterranean turkey skillet, and in here, minus the meat, is everything I need to make that meal. So it's really great when you put them in the fridge, because you just put them in the fridge sort of side by side. You grab out the 1 bag you need to make that dinner that night, and that's all you need. Okay, so underneath the vegetables and produce is the meat. And they do a great job with the meat, guys. They package it with these ice cubes, I guess ice sheets. So it's always very cold and very fresh. Again, we have 2 chicken meals and 1 turkey meal. So we have a pound of ground turkey, and we have 2 servings individually packaged of the chicken tenders. So I believe we're going to be doing the chicken with mushroom gravy tonight, but that still remains to be seen. So I will see you guys again when this is cooked and ready to eat. Okay guys, so our chicken with mushroom gravy is complete, and let me tell you that if it tastes just half as good as it smells, it's gonna be phenomenal. It was easy to make. I threw in some mashed potatoes just to sort of round out the meal, but we've got our green beans with the garlic and rosemary, we've got our chicken with the mushroom gravy, and guys, like I said, it looks really good. We're gonna go eat some dinner right now, and we will see you guys for tomorrow night's meal. Alright guys, I wanted to come back after our meal and talk a little bit about the chicken with mushroom gravy, the good, the bad, and the ugly. As you can see, my plate is completely clean. It was really good and I ate it all. Or this is a brand new plate because I didn't think y'all wanted to see my half-eaten food. So, but again, I did eat most of it. It was really good. The chicken gravy had sort of a sherry mushroom cream sauce, and it was really good. The sherry gave it a really nice sort of richness to it. The gravy was a little bit watery for my taste. I probably would have added some cornstarch, something like that, made it a little bit thicker. The other thing, quite honestly, was as you saw in the pictures, the green beans were roasted on a sheet pan along with the chicken. And quite honestly, I think the green beans were a little too al dente. They were a little too crispy. I like, as well as my husband, the green beans just to be a little bit softer. So probably the next time around, I would parboil them for 4 or 5 minutes, take them out, let them cool, then toss them with the oil. But all in all, the chicken was really tender. The mushroom gravy was awesome. And guys, definitely one to repeat. And what I want to talk to you about repeat is Home Chef gives you all of the quantities and ingredients that they put in your box. So you can just take this sheet right here and make it over and over and over again. You don't have to wait for Home Chef to deliver it to you. It'll tell you exactly how much of each ingredient was used. So if you really like a recipe, again, just put this away in your recipe box, your recipe binder, and you can make this to your heart's content. So now I am done. We'll talk no more to you about the chicken with mushroom gravy. Have a great night, and we'll talk tomorrow. Okay guys, night number 2 is Mediterranean turkey skillet. I made quinoa for me and grits for him. Feta cheese, ricotta cheese, turkey, zucchini, and onions. And it smells heavenly, and we will come back to chat after dinner. All right guys, so time for the meal review for the Mediterranean turkey skillet. Guys, I really wish cameras could record smells as well as sights because it smells so phenomenal in my house right now. It smells like an Italian restaurant. My husband and I were trying to sort of pinpoint this kind of zingy, zesty flavor that was in the meal, and I have to think that it was the oregano, plus the red onions, plus this recipe actually called out for a half a teaspoon of pepper, which is kind of a lot in the recipe, and it just gave it a nice, zesty flavor. It wasn't like sort of bland tomato sauce. It was really good, and it had a pop to it. As you saw when I plated them, I provided grits for my husband and quinoa for me, and I'm going to be real with you, I had a bite of his and it tastes better with the grits, but I'm trying to be a little more healthy, so quinoa was on my plate. It probably could have done without that. I just never quite know if it's going to be filling enough for us and our family. So guys, this is definitely a keeper. This one is going into my recipe binder because this is a perfect comfort food when it's cold outside, makes you warm on the inside kind of meal. So we will see you guys tomorrow for meal number 3. Okay guys, so tonight is chicken milanesa. Honestly, chicken and salad wasn't sure it was enough, so I added some green beans, added some starches. It looks good, it smells good. We will be back after dinner to give you our thoughts. All right guys, night number 3, meal number 3. Tonight was chicken milanesa, and as I mentioned earlier, I was a little worried because this was just chicken and a salad, a lemon aioli spinach salad. And guys, my husband is a strapping 6'3", $1.95. I can't put salad and chicken on a plate for him. So I threw in some starch rice for him, baked potato for me, and some green beans. And I'm gonna tell you, quite honestly, we didn't need all of that food. Both of us barely touched the green beans. This salad was a little out of my husband's normal realm. If we're at a restaurant, he will order a salad with only lettuce and 3 times the normal amount of ranch dressing. So when you start throwing lemon and shallots and spinach into a salad, I was a little concerned, but he really liked it. The chicken was sort of pan fried and then thrown in the oven for a few minutes. It was a panko breadcrumb coating that was light and airy and really good. Like, I'm not sure if I've ever had chicken with a panko crust on it before, but we are definitely gonna make this again. The salad also was really good. I probably would have paired it with probably another vegetable, maybe not necessarily a starch tonight. But all in all, we're sort of 3 for 3. They were all really good first time meals for us. This is another one. I'm going to make this panko chicken in the future. So guys, thank you so much for all of this fun times you've been having with us. And we're going to do a little bit of a recap on what we thought of Home Chef. All right, so just a few final thoughts on our wrap up of our Home Chef unboxing and review. We did the 3 meals that you guys saw. You saw us prep them, cook them, plate them, and then do an after dinner mini review. So this is sort of the 30,000 foot grand review of everything. We definitely would order all 3 of these meals again. Each one of them had a little bit of a different modification for our tastes and preferences, and you can do the same when you order these meals. Guys, if you want to get started, there is a link down below that actually gives you a referral rate, so you can get started for less than the normal rate. And guys, if you have not already hit the subscribe button, please do that now. We're doing all kinds of crazy stuff at Chic headquarters. We're doing food unboxing, fashion unboxing, a little bit of arts and crafts. And trust me when I tell you, you don't want to miss anything we have coming up. Also, please like and share this episode, share it with your friends, share the referral link with your friends, because that will allow you and your friends to try a new style of shopping and cooking meals for your family without a huge financial impact, guys. So again, looking forward to your comments and feedback. And this is Cindy with Supposably Chic. And until next time, make it a good one.